Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare Gujarat special dish dhokla. Dhokla is a steamed, soft, spongy Indian snack that is tasty and healthy at the same time. This can be eaten for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a main meal. So without wasting time, let's see how to make it. So first we need to take a bowl. In that I am going to add 1.5 cup of besan. To this I am going to add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give this a good mix. Now gradually add the water to make smooth pouring consistency batter. And the batter should be not so thick, not so thin. Mix well so that there are no lumps. Once that's done, let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to grease a cake tin with some oil so that our dhokla will not get sticky. Next, take a pot, or also you can use kadai. Here I am using idli cooker. Pour some water in it and place a stand over there. Next, close the lid and let it boil the water. After 10 minutes, I am going to add 5 gram of ENO powder, which is easily available in market. Mix well. The batter will rise as you mix and it will become fluffy. Immediately pour the batter in the tin. And spread evenly with the help of a spatula. And you can see here water is also boiling. Now we will place the tin into the vessel. Close and steam cook about 20 minutes on medium flame. Let's check it after 20 minutes. Just insert a toothpick. Check whether it is cooked. If it is comes clean, that means this is perfectly cooked. Now switch off the flame. Take the dhokla out and let it cool down completely. And next we will move on to the next step. For that I have taken a pan. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and once the oil is heat, I am going to add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds starts spattering, add few curry leaves to it and 2 slit green chilies. Saute them. Now I am going to add half cup of water, half teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and let it boil. Once this water is boiling, turn off the flame and add few coriander leaves and squeeze juice of half lemon. Keep this aside. Now we will remove the dhokla from the tin. Now we need to cut it into cubes. Now pour the sugar and water solution to the dhokla. Spread this solution evenly everywhere and just keep it for 10 minutes. And garnish with some freshly grated coconut. Gujarati special instant dhokla is ready. Try this once. Thank you for watching.